ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે એલિમેન્ટ્સ ઓફ બિઝનેસ મેથેમેટિક્સ એની અંદર યુનિટ 1 એનો ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ ધેટ ઇઝ પરમિટેશન કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલું હતું. નાવ સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ કોમ્બિનેશન. સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ પરમિટેશનની અંદર ટાઈપ 4 ની અંદર એક સમ હજુ હતો એ પહેલાં આપણે કમ્પ્લીટ કરીએ. ફર્સ્ટ વન example that 0 can't come at first place, that is 60. Now total permutation that is 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiplied by 1 factorial, that is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 2 to cancel. So 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. That is 420. So our question is, how many numbers greater than a million can be formed using all the letters? Millions ની અંદર આપણે ખબર છે 1 એની પાછળ 6 લેટર આવવા જોઈએ, 6 0 આવવા જોઈએ. જો 0 ફર્સ્ટ પ્લેસ ઉપર આવે તો 6 ન આવે, એટલે ટોટલ -0 can't come at first place. Total 420 minus 60, that is 360. This is your answer. Now combination. First of all, introduction of combination, definition, simple meaning and its formula. Now what is combination and what is permutation? In permutation we saw that permutation means arrangement. Now combination means, simple meaning of combination means selection. Say for example, there are total 4 person A, B, C, D. Now out of these 4 I have to select 2 person. So out of 4 selection will be done only of 2. In how many way can I select? Say for example AB, AC, AD. Now BC, BD and last CD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 way I can choose, I can select 2 person out of this 4 person. Now its formula. What is combination? Combination means NCR. It is denoted by NCR, that is N. N means total number or total letter. C means combination. Out of total, how many are selected, that is R. Now its formula, NCR is equal to N factorial divided by R factorial multiplied by R factorial. This is the formula of combination. Say for example here N is equal to 4, R is equal to 2, so 4 minus 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. That is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, 2 divided by 2. 2 to cancel, 2 2s are 4, 4 multiplied by 2, that is 6. 6 way we can choose the 2 numbers. Same here we get 6 way, that is AB, AC, AD, BC, BD and that is CD. AD, BC, BD and CD. So what is combination? Combination means selection. What is permutation? Permutation means arrangement. And this is the formulas of combination. Now we go for our practical part, that is type 1. First type, simple example of combination, in which first find the value of followings, in which A 12, C 4. Now N is equal to 12, R is equal to 4. Formula of combination, that is NCR. means n factorial, n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. What is n? 12 divided by what is r? 4. 12 minus 4 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. This is 12 factorial. 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. Now 12 factorial ને 8 factorial સુધી expand કરશું એટલે 12 8 factorial cancel થઈ શકે. 12 11 10 9 and 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial, that is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, 8 factorial cancel, 4 3s are 12, 2 5s are 10. So 11 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 9 is our answer. 11 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 9, that is 495. 495. Okay, same way example number 1 and second, that is B 25C 23. 25C23. Here n is equal to 25 and r is equal to 23. 25 23. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. Now n 25, r 23. 25 factorial divided by 25 factorial minus 23 factorial multiplied by 23 factorial. Now 25 factorial, 25 minus 23, that is 2 factorial multiplied by 23 factorial. Now 25 factorial ને 23 factorial સુધી expand કરશું. 25, 24 and 23 factorial divided by 2 factorial, that is 2:1 multiplied by 23 factorial. 23 factorial cancel થશે. 12 multiplied by 2 is equal to 24. So 12 multiplied by 25 is our answer. 12 multiplied by 25, that is 6300. 6300. Sorry, 6325 multiplied by 12, that is 300. 25 multiplied by 12, that is 300. 300 is our answer. Now last of this, that is 5C5. C5. Now here n is equal to 5, r is equal to also 5. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. Now n is equal to 5 factorial, n minus r, that is 5 minus 5 factorial, r is equal to 5 factorial. 5 factorial divided by 0 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial. 5 factorial cancel, that is 1 upon 0 factorial means always equal to 1. Last આપણે permutation વાળા સેશનમાં વાત થઈ ગઈ છે. 5 factorial cancel થયા એટલે 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So always remember that NCN is equal to 1 and NC0 is equal to also 1. Now here our type 1 is completed. Next type will be start in next session. Thank you.